everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and today I'm super excited to give you a haul of all of my new Peloton stuff. So I just got the new Peloton Bike Plus and I'm already loving it so much, but I wanted to make sure you all knew that beyond just the Peloton being a bike itself, it comes with so much more now that they are doing the Peloton Bike Plus experience. So basically, the whole point of the new Peloton Bike Plus is that it is way more than just cardio. You can move from your bike doing that to swiveling your screen around and performing workouts such as strength, yoga, stretching, all sorts of different stuff beyond that. So it really gives you a full immersive workout experience right from the comfort of your home. So without further ado, let's get into this haul of all of my new Peloton Bike Plus accessories. So if you have not seen my first Peloton Bike Plus overview video, check that out because I show you all the stuff that the Peloton bike is capable of, as well as all the different classes that are offered through its screen and also that you can get on the app. So just all in all, a really cool bike and new experience. So all the equipment that you get from purchasing a bundle, which my family got the family bundle, so we do have doubles of some things, but that all comes so you can really actually do every single workout on there and have the equipment you need to do it. So that is why they do that. But moving on from the bike. So like I said, my family did purchase the family bundle, so we did get 2 pairs of cycling shoes, and these are made specifically for the Peloton. And also I wanted to add in, before I got too far, that I know that these might seem expensive to people and you might think that you can get them cheaper somewhere else, and I did look into that to make sure that it was the smart decision to purchase them from Peloton. But really, even on Amazon, you cannot get them for much cheaper, and the ones that are cheaper take a very long time to come in. So just wanted to throw that out there before you thought I was crazy for getting every single thing from Peloton. But the family bundle does give you 2 pairs of cycling shoes, and if you had the original Peloton bike and you already have the shoes, they are perfect, they will still work. So I wear a size 9 and got a 40, and my mom wears a 9.5. So they recommended that she got a 41. So I'm going to open this box, which is upside down, and show them to you. So here they are, and if you, again, did not already see my overview video, we put them together so there'd be a cleat that would slide right on and snap into the Peloton Bike Plus. They are very breathable through the front and the base, and also there is Velcro to strap here, as well as this one that is a clip that you push down on and move. So they do really fit very nicely, even if you have a higher or lower arc, any of that, and the sizing is really good. Like I said, those sizes worked great for us with size 9, a 40, 9.5, 41. So actually, again, we did get 2 pairs with the bike, but we also had to purchase a 3rd pair, so both my parents and I could have some. So interesting also with sizing is, I thought there was a difference between women's and men's sizing, so hence my size 40 and my mom's 41, and that's a 9 and a 9.5 in women's, but my dad is a size 11 in men's, and he got a size 43 Peloton bike shoes, so not quite sure how that works unless I'm crazy and women's and men's sizes are exactly the same. I'm not sure, but yeah, these are his, same exact thing for both, same exact sizing. So yeah, there's all of the shoes. So we actually have 3 pairs, sorry, kind of confusing you all there. So next we have the resistance bands. If you already have your own, that's great, but we did not have a ton of our own, so we needed to get the full set, and they do come with light, medium, and heavy bands, and it is actually perfect and pretty labeled right inside, and they're all individually packaged, so you can keep them like that. I do not think once you take them out of the bags that they say on them, but you can probably tell based on the width of them which size they are. So like this is the light one, as you can see, and I did also just check to see online, they are made out of latex. If you are allergic, I would check into that. I'm sure you know yourself, but that is very interesting and something that I just wanted to check and make sure of, because I know that has been a problem with people for workout equipment before, so just wanted to point that out. And also the handles are aluminum, so let's pull out the heavy just to see the difference. Actually, also they did do the strings on the bags in different colors, so if you can remember those, that'll help you keep them straight. But yeah, by the width of each band, you can pretty much tell the difference, because the difference between the light and the heavy is pretty significant. So as you saw on my other video, they do have workout programs that are set up for resistance bands. So I just love to do extra strength training when I'm doing cardio, and resistance bands really help your bones and muscles strengthen without putting too much extra stress on them. So highly recommend to do this, especially for something low impact, which is also something I should have pointed out originally about the bike. Cycling is such a good cardio based exercise because it is very low impact. If you have any knee, hip, any issues like lower body, it's really good for that, as well as swimming. That was so random, but just throwing those things out there. Gotta add in my sciencey aspect of everything, so there's that. So next we have our weights, which are sweat-proof, non-slip material made, and they also come with the family pack. I'm surprised they only send one pack of these, but probably because in your Peloton bike you only have room for one set. So we went with the 2-pound weights. So right here I'm actually going to put them in our bike so my parents don't have to do that after. But here they are with the Peloton logo on them. I mean, if you have weights, nothing too crazy different about these, but they will definitely be useful. And I do think that there are some bike workouts that actually have you use them while you're riding. So that is why, sorry, I'm gonna have to move my chair. There are these little holders in the back of the bike so you can slip each weight into those and grab them while you're riding. So really cool, especially to get 2 things done at once if you are having to do your workout in a shorter period of time. Also, like I said before, if you want to swivel that screen around, you can join a different workout class and do something that is pure strength based. So really awesome that they give you those as well. Okay, so also I'm gonna have to tip my camera from this. It does come with a bike mat to set your bike on so it doesn't ruin your floors. Luckily in our little workout room we do have this floor that is made for gyms, and it is like a rubber-based carpet, so it should not rip from workout equipment being on it. But just in case you don't have that and you're putting it on like hardwood or something that could get scratched, the bike mat is made to go on your floors, so it perfectly fits the Peloton and doesn't ruin your floors. So just so you know, that does come with it in case you're worried about that. Also in this family bundle of Peloton things, there is 2 glass water bottles, and I actually have not even opened these yet to see them for myself, but it's really awesome that they give you 2 because the bike does have 2 water bottle holders. So I know myself it'll probably get left on there, just like my shoes are left on there right now because I have not figured out how to clip them out, guys. I struggled in the first video to get them on, so until someone else goes to use the bike and takes them off, my shoes will be on there because I seriously need to figure that out. It's probably not hard, just, you know, haven't gotten to it. But this is the water bottle, really cool. I was worried about it being glass, but it is wrapped in this rubber coating. I don't know if yeah, it's on there, pretty good. It's not even like a case. So that is really cool. Screw off lid, really awesome. And obviously since it came with the bike, it fits perfectly into this little bike cup holder. So there is 3 of us, we have 2 water bottles. We're gonna have to fight over them. I'm sure I'll win. I'm gonna write my name on it in like a silver, gold, metallic marker. It's gonna be so cute. But yeah, this is the same one. I'll leave that one in the packaging and keep the one that's out for myself. Also, since we are like halfway through this video, I wanted to please ask if you are enjoying this video to make sure to leave it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss the rest of my Peloton videos, because I am going to be coming out with more. So comment what you would like to see about it. I will be making more videos, so please let me know what you want to see about the Peloton, because I think this is going to be a huge gift this Christmas that people are going to want to get and give because of being at home and people being a little weary of going back to gyms, and I think this is perfect, even just the equipment, which you can purchase separately. But yeah, I'm getting off topic, so let's get back to this Peloton item haul. So this workout mat is really, really cool because it is specially designed for all different kinds of workouts. So I wasn't going to open it because I thought it looked really cool wrapped up, but now I have to because I have to really explain why this mat is made the way it is and why that is so awesome. Because most mats are just pretty basic, pretty much to make the floor more comfortable, but this one is strategically made for any kind of workout. And now of course I'm going to struggle getting this wrapping off so I can show you. Okay, so now that I have that wrapping off of the mat, I wanted to show you that there is purposely two different sides of it. So the one side is made so that it is non-slip and you will not fall or need any kind of like sticky sock or anything in different yoga classes or stretching or bar or any of that. And the other side is made to be smooth, so you do have the ability to slide and really get your movements out on it. So you might have to flip it during different classes depending on what you're doing. But I just think it's really cool. Like, I have a reversible mat myself, but the colors are just reversible. In this one they are as well, but there's actually a purpose to both sides of the mat. So laying it right next to the Peloton bike with the swiveling screen will be so perfect, and I'm really looking forward to doing that because so far I have really focused on the cycling ones just since I have to go back to school, and will have the ability to do the other ones while I'm there. But I'm really excited to try out those workouts using a mat that has been so thoroughly thought through as this one. So with the family bundle, you also get 2 of these foam blocks, and they are to give you some extra lift and balance, trying new and challenging poses. So it's really cool because, I mean, it's pretty much like any other block, but it does give you 3 different height options if you want to use it like this way, or flat like that. So there are 2 of those to do your different workouts on. I would say these will probably be used most. It is a yoga block, so for that, as well as stretching and stuff like that. So super useful if you are into that, and also just the fact that it comes with it will make sure that you have it for any workout that needs it. And again, there are 2, so you can do stuff while someone else is working out or together, whatever you want to do. You also get a yoga strap with this, which helps you just to get extra length and alignment while performing different poses, as well as to help you improve your range of motion and to give you strength when practicing any new stretch. So just a really great thing to have too if you don't already. And again, coming with it, super awesome, and all of their stuff is really nice. So if you're in the need of a new one, I highly recommend Pelotons because they are all very nice and they do roll up and stuff in a great way to store them. So just highly recommend those as well. And last but not least for this Peloton accessory haul, these headphones, which are made specifically for the Peloton. And also throwing that out there is a big difference on the headphone jack on the new Peloton Bike Plus from the old, and it might not seem like a big deal, but apparently this is huge. There used to be the jack for the headphones on the side of the screen, which was not very good for people's shorter headphones when like getting up and stuff. But now on the new bike, it is right in the center, so it gives you way more range of motion, because if you can see just from, it's like that big of a difference on where they put it, and that is a lot of space for the length of headphones. So definitely going to help people out a lot, especially who are not the biggest fan of Bluetooth headphones, which again, it does have Bluetooth capabilities. But these headphones are very long actually. Wow, I was not expecting them to be this long. So opening them up, they are very nice, very different shape than any headphones I'm used to. I am more of an AirPod and like the around the ear Beats headphones, so these are different but look very cool. And that's how the head of them are. I know people are very serious about the head of the headphones they use, so they look good. They actually fit very comfortable, and this cord is very long, as you can see how many times it's looped. I'm not going to undo the whole thing until we see how long we want it on the bike, which is really awesome that we do have the ability to connect it right here and have these headphones to use for it. So just a really awesome thing to have, especially like I said, if Bluetooth headphones drive you crazy or you don't have any, or literally whatever. Also, actually, I wanted to make sure to ask because, like I have said, I am very new to this whole Peloton thing, and I wanted any of you that are more advanced users that have had the previous bike or also got this new bike, whatever, to please let me know any further information that you have on any of this, or any of your favorite instructors, anything I should look into for further videos or just for my own knowledge. It would be super helpful to me, and I would love to get in touch with other people that love the Peloton because I am really getting into it and I love to make connections through things that I love. So please reach out to me on Instagram or in the comments, wherever. But yeah, that is it for this Peloton Bike Plus accessories haul. I am so excited to really get into using all of this stuff and to getting into all the different classes and to keep sharing with you guys different stuff about the Peloton because, like I said, I am loving it already and having so much fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope if you were questioning whether or not to get the bike or this bundle, that I really helped you to make that decision. And yeah, that's all, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.